Customer satisfaction is not just a goal, it is a foundation for a successful business. I repeat, customer satisfaction is not just a goal, it is a foundation for a successful business. I am Manasa and I am a student of Dhruva College of Management, Hyderabad. Let me take you through the marketing strategy of Meesho. Meesho is one of the most revolutionary startups of India, and the reason why I call them revolutionary is because they have redefined the e-commerce of India so much so that today millions of small sellers who never thought of selling online are able to ship their products all across the India. Today, Jhumkawala from Rajasthan is able to ship his products all across the neighborhoods of Kashmir. Firstly, how on earth did Meesho manage to grow their business and achieve profitability in spite of the presence of Flipkart and Amazon, the big sharks in the market? As of 2022, e-commerce has grown to just 8%. I repeat, 8% of the total e-commerce market. The rest of the 92% is still left unpenetrated. And back then, when Amazon and Flipkart were the top e-commerce platforms in India, they were just primarily focused on Tier 1 consumers of India. And it does make sense because Tier 1 consumers have higher disposable incomes and they easily adopt to new technologies. And these cities have higher logistic infrastructure, which makes the probability of your success more. But our country is home to 60 million small and medium-sized businesses, which contribute up to 85% of the total retail market. But even then, many Tier 2 and Tier 3 consumers never used e-commerce platform because they found it too complex and too costly for them. And this is where the founders of Meesho, Sanjeev and Vidit, found a gap in the market. They found three major pain points in the market. The first major pain point was the cost of selling. Cost of selling on these platforms was very high. If you are a seller on Flipkart, you will get 60% of your selling price, and on Amazon, you will get 70% of your selling price. So the 30 to 40% of your selling price goes into just commission and GST. And second pain point was the low penetration in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities of India. And the third pain point was the payment cycle. The payment cycle was as long as 14 days and another 5 days of clearance. So the seller used to wait for 19 days to get his payment in their account. So in 2015, Sanjeev and Vidit wanted to start a business today we know as Meesho, and had the vision of empowering small businesses in India and to empower the buyers of India with affordable pricing and vast range of catalog. And today now, after 9 years later, Meesho has more than 1.8 million sellers selling more than 120 million products all across the India. Secondly, now the question raises, how did Meesho manage to tackle all these three major pain points? As of the first pain point, Meesho charges 0% commission fees with a small fulfillment fee. So if you are a seller on Flipkart and you list your product for 1000 rupees, you will get 600 rupees, and on Amazon you will get 700 rupees. But on Meesho, you will get whole amount with a slight deduction of fulfillment fee. So now the question is, if Meesho doesn't charge the sellers, then how does it make money? Meesho monetizes their platform through advertising performance of the seller. So if you are a seller on Meesho, you can advertise your product by paying some amount to the Meesho. And for the second pain point, they mainly focused on Tier 2 and Tier 3 consumers of India. And the third pain point, they reduced the payment cycle from 14 days to just 7 days. Lastly, what lessons we can learn from Meesho? If you want to build a business and the competition is very big outside there, then you can build a business in such a way that if you want to build the business in a blue ocean. In the case of Meesho's, blue ocean was Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities of India. Jack Ma once said, if you may be the sharks of the ocean, but I am the crocodile of the Yangtze River. While Amazon and Flipkart, the sharks, mainly focused on Tier 1 cities, Meesho focused completely on Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Thank you, Manasa, for you.